answers to this, post it in the comments. Now let's take a look at this. I got a chance to get a couple of these, or 4 of these, to play with. This, you might recognize this box as a Tesla supercharger. If you haven't seen this, it's because these are usually 20 feet behind where that other little part is, where you take the plug and then connect it to your car. So that part over there is not the actual charger. That's just a cord holder, right? It's just to hold the cord that you take and then plug into your car. The charger is about 20 feet behind usually in an enclosed area. Sometimes it's closed with wood, sometimes it's with chain link, but it's usually on the back. And I think the reason why they did this, separate the charger from the actual plug, is because...
Anyway, guys, that's my man who I was telling you about, Jeru Garcia. That's the guy that I call the battery guru. The man has awesome connections, as you can see, on anything electric in 18650. And you can buy battery packs from him for about 1/5 of the cost, maybe even less than that of what they cost from anywhere else. So keep on giving your money to Lightspeed and all them, and us real DIY guys, we gonna do what we do. Anyway, this is gonna be a I don't really do unboxings, but why not? Since I'm getting expensive packages that I probably wouldn't be buying myself. But anyway, this is a UPPS battery pack, and my Super 73 customer is going with this battery pack, and it's was a really good deal, to be honest, off of Amazon for a pre-made pack. You know, I wanted to build him a pack, but the thing is, he needed his bike done by a certain amount of time, and we wouldn't get it done any faster with me ordering batteries and all that from where they had to come from. One reason why I deal with Amazon, fellas, is because Amazon Prime, if they tell you it's going to be there in 3 or 4 days, or the next day, or the day after, it's going to be there. You know, that's the great part about buying from Amazon. They have their own stock in their own warehouses right here in the United States. If you buy something from Alibaba, you don't know when the hell you're going to get it. You know, I ordered some stuff from Alibaba. It took almost 7 weeks to get here. So if you got time restraints, or you want things done in a certain amount of time, I suggest you not buy anything from overseas. Anyway, let's take a look at this battery. This is a 72 volt 19 point something amp hour battery, and I think it's like 600 and something bucks, and it looks pretty nice. It's made very nice from what I can see. The thing is heavy, that's for sure. And let's see what it comes with. Wow, comes with a nice XT60 with some nice heavy gauge power wire on it, and it also comes with this heavy duty 84 volt 4 amp charger to charge that battery pack. And that's a nice charger that comes with it. You know, look at them chargers they give you with those bikes. Not even gonna say what those bikes are, but anyway, you know how I feel about some of those bikes that are way overpriced. And look at this battery, man. This battery is built nice. It ain't in no damn bag. It's in a hard plastic case. It comes with a nice voltmeter on the side. Still has the plastic on it, so it looks a little fuzzy. But yeah, I forgot what UPP stood for. Shoot. I'm going to have to look that back up. But this battery is heavy as crap. Meaning they got some really good cells in there. So, yeah, this is just an unboxing, really. I will put a little link at the end of this video with all the specs on it. These are the Velcro straps to strap it up. And like I said, this is what we had. This is what we got to use to get what we want. Now, I'm going to tell you something. For $600, you can't beat that. In fact, if I haven't given any prices for this complete Super 73, 72 volt upgrade, of course, that's the most expensive piece. But as I told you guys, I bought the kit, that conversion kit from Amazon too, to get that motor. That conversion kit was about $325. The battery, $603. And then the controller was about $70. So you're looking at about $1,000. $1,000 for the complete kit to upgrade your bike to 40 miles per hour. Now you know what else costs $1,000? Let me show you what costs $1,000. Brand new. That right there costs $1,000, or if not more. Brand new. So I've seen a lot of guys with Super 73s, and they buy an extra battery that's similar to that right there. I think this is a 20 amp hour, about the same as that as far as the amp hours are concerned, except that's only a 52 volt or 48 volt. It's one of the two. I ain't even look at it, but I do know it's a 20 amp hour, and I do know it's about $1,000. Now, you could either spend $1,000 for that, or you can spend $1,000 and upgrade your bike to 72 volts with a brand new motor and a brand new controller and a big old fast charger to charge it up. So I don't know. I know a lot of you guys are all about labels and wanting to be with the in crowd and all that and have a Super 73. And I mean, like I say, man, hey, you want to pay $5,000 for an e-bike that goes 28 miles per hour? More power to you. But this is a DIY channel, and I do everything for the low, and ain't no way in the hell I'm spending $5,000 on a bike that goes 28 miles per hour, when I could probably build two. Listen at me. I can build two 40 mile per hour bikes, most likely like Frank, for that same $5,000. Now, if you think a Super 73 is that much better than a Zugo that Frank is, then hey, that's how you feel. But me, nah, I can't do it. But anyway, to each his own. Spend your money how you want to spend it. But for us DIY guys that try to get everything for the low, we spend smart money, or we spend our money intelligently. And I just wouldn't be able to sleep good at night knowing I paid $5,000 for something that I can go get on an analog bike and keep up with you. If I was in my younger day, I'm pretty sure I could keep up with you. But anyway, that's that. That's this unboxing. And I just wanted to show you guys the quality of this battery. This battery is really good quality. Ain't no doubt about it. Look at that hard plastic casing, man. This thing, and just guesstimating, shoot, this thing weighs about 20 pounds. It's heavy as crap. And like I said, look at those heavy power wires they got on it, man. That's what they should have on it. I'm not sure of how many amps this BMS is. I'll have to take another look. I believe it was like a 60 amp BMS. which is enough, definitely enough to do what we got to do. That thing even makes my little man cave bed collapse. Got a big old dent in my little man cave bed. Alright, fellas, that's it. It's just an unboxing. Deuces.